Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So here you can see it, error, this page could not be loaded. If you have cookies disabled in your browser or you're browsing in private mode, please try enabling cookies or turning off private mode. So how you can fix this problem? So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. So just find Wi-Fi here. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use Cellular Data, just open Cellular Data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so just try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open that update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.